People, good morning. Today is February 14 and it's Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's, guys. Anyway, I'm preparing Nia's lunch kasi may school siya today. So, ngayon na lang ulit ako nag-vlog after ng last vlog natin. So, Mia will have rice today, same as yesterday, kasi yun yung request niya. You know what she's having? She's having rice and chorizo. Yun yung request niya. And, in fairness, ubos niya yung rice niya kahapon. So, sabi ko, sige, kung saan ka masaya, why not? Dito ko lang nilalagay yung rice niya. Kasi guys, later, nilalagay ko lang siya dito. Kasi, wala akong paglalagyan na magkasya dito. Bumili pa ako. Yung parang box na kasya dito. Paglalagyan ng, pwede siya lagyan ng rice. So, na-ready ko na ito kagabi. Luto ko na kagabi. Para initin ko na lang today. Bumili ako ng box para pag gusto niya ng rice, ilalagay ko lang dun sa box. Nagluto din ako brownies kagabi kasi gusto niya brownies to baon. Doon tayo sa gusto niya talaga. And the brownies, ito na lang natira. Ayan. Ginawa ko to kagabi. Ginawa namin ni Mia. One. Ano pa? Yeah. Tadaan! So, ito yung lunch ni Mia. Nigay ko lang yung banana dito. Siya na bahala mag-open later. We have the rice. Yan, lalagyan ko siya ng plastic para hindi siya pumunta sa kung saan-saan mamaya. Mangga and Pringles. Yun lang. Close. Brownies and orange. Kasi nag-request siya ng orange kagabi. Sabi niya, what? Orange daw sa kanyang lunchbox. And that's it. Taran! Is that her used spoon? So, Elsa din yung spoon niya. Kahapon nito din yung gamit niya ng spoon. Lagyan ko tissue. So, kailangan niya ng tissue. May tissue na siya dito. And we'll show it to her when she gets here. Ano ang ganap niya mamaya, guys? Ganap ba kayo mamaya? Valentine's? Today? Kami mag-dinner na kami sa labas. Actually, yung cousin ni Lee yung plan na mag-dinner sa labas kasi birthday niya nung 14, not 14, 2 days ago, 12. So, sabi niya magdi-dinner daw kami sa labas. Ang timing, it's 14 this Friday, today. So, ayun, labas kaming lahat mamaya after nila work. May customer today. Good morning! Natulog pala siya ulit. Nagbihis. Tulog ulit.
Mommy, make it like a pony here.
Pony. Like yesterday?
Yeah.
Okay.
There's one pony here.
One pony, one breed. What do you mean?
I can say Elsa like this.
Like up. Like up?
This.
Okay, just one. Okay. Why you don't want Elsa hair now?
Because
Why? Oopsie. Oopsie. Why is your hair tangled? What did you do to your hair?
nothing.
You need a haircut? Do you want a haircut? Ayaw niya pa i-cut yung hair, yung bangs niya kay
No, I don't want a haircut. I want to be like Rapunzel.
tangled. Yeah. You want it like this, just one.
I don't want a haircut. I can see. No. Because I want to be like Rapunzel.
Why you want your hair like this all the time? Why?
Ryder's gonna be my boyfriend now.
Hala.
Daddy, do you know?
Already.
Daddy, do you know what? Ryder's my boyfriend.
I'm gonna kick his ass. It's a no-no.
She has a boyfriend, guys. She has a boyfriend.
I'm gonna kick that boy's bum bum. You stay to yourself.
Holy moly.
Holy moly.
Where's your clip, baby?
Holy moly.
Hoy, I'm asking you, where's your clip?
Holy moly.
Where's your clip?
Holy moly.
That's this one. It's not the same, but that's alright. Okay, let's clip this.
Boyfriend.
Huh?
She keeps saying she's got a boyfriend, Ryder.
No, no, in your class.
Yeah. Hey, it's in my class for sure.
For sure.
He's already have a new girlfriend.
Should we make it 3 or 1? Or 5? Should we make it 3? Make sure you don't lose your clip.
3?
Like that? You want me to braid the back? Because it
No.
looks ugly. No? Just like that?
Yeah, I'm gonna make it like Rapunzel.
Okay. Because look, oh. It's not even nice at the back.
It's still good. It's still good.
So I'll show you. This is your snack box, yeah?
I'll
Lunch.
just see inside.
Yeah, and this is your spoon. Make
I'll
sure
just see inside.
you put the spoon back.
I'll just see inside of my lunchbox.
So this is your lunch. Put the spoon back, okay? You want a kiwi or something?
To see.
Then I've got your mango, banana if you want, and then Pringles, and then ta-da! You like it? Like, what do you do with the plastic? You put it here. Yesterday you didn't see the plastic. Where'd you put it?
In the bed.
Okay, good job.
Because I finished it all.
Okay.
And it didn't go everywhere. Because I finished it all.
Yeah. And the banana, you know how to open?
And somebody take it in the bin because I finished it up.
Okay. How about the banana? You know how to open it?
Uh-huh.
Oh, so I put it in the bag. You open the bag like
And
this.
I want that.
Okay. Wait, you open the bag like this? Wait, you know how to open the bag? This one.
Yeah.
Yeah, the banana bag? Okay. I put it there so it's not gonna be yucky later. Mango and Pringles. You happy?
Yeah.
Happy. Okay, how about the snack?
Yeah.
The snack you know already, so it's just here.
I don't know what to do.
Do you want a baby first? Dali, wait first. Mia, I've got your tissue as well. Mia, tissue as well. I've got 2 tissue here. Okay? 1 and 1. Right? Okay, go. Go to the toilet. I'll put this in your bag. Huh? Come on. That's it. It's ready. What do you want? Okay.
Daddy, I want that Minty Boo. Minty Boo. Daddy will be my Minty Boo.
Okay, let's just sit down here.
Thank you, Daddy.
Come on, baby.
Bye! See you later. Enjoy school, okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is your tummy feeling a little bit better?
Yeah? I can drive now?
Yeah.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye, Mom.
Bye, baby. Hello, people. Nakalimutan ko, nag-vlog pala ako. Anyway, nagising tayo ng mga 1:30. Hinid ko tong batang to. Ayan siya. Tapos na siya, guys. Naka-feed na yan. Papatulugin ko na siya ulit. Nandito yung cleaner na sa baba. Kakatapos na lang dito sa taas. So, dumating siya, natulog ako. But, yes. So, linis lang siya naglinis habang natutulog kami ni Tay. Antok na yan na, baby. Oh. Kanina pa siya pasikat-sikat dyan, oh. Antok na yan.
Mom, where's Kai?
Hello!
Is Kai awake or sleeping?
He's going to sleep. Ay! Well, let's put him to sleep. Mm.
Hi,
Let's put him to sleep, yeah?
Mom, but I didn't play with him yet. Can I just play with him for a little bit?
Oh, but he's already complaining.
I want to make him stop crying and complaining.
Complaining? He's complaining
Don't
already.
complain. Don't complain.
Ito.
I just
Wow, you got a star? What's that star for?
It's sticker.
Why?
Because
Did you wash your hands?
I've been a good girl, so that's why.
Ah, you even have a sand. Can you go and... Ay. Alright, kababa na tayo kasi tulog na si Kai. Andun yung mag-ama ko sa taas. Let's see kung ano yung naubos na niya sa lunchbox niya this time. Sabi niya din na naubos yung chorizo. Let's see. Oh. Bakit nandito sa ano? Snack box. Ay, ubos. In fairness. Naubos niya lang yung brownies, guys. May natirang 2 orange. Hindi niya na naubos. O, diba ako yung taga-ubos? Ang tamis pa naman. Nice. We have ginamit na kaya yung tissue na to. Parang ginamit niya. Ito naman yung lunchbox niya. Spoon. Sana maubos niya. Ay, may konting natira. Hindi niya kinain yung banana. Kinain niya yung mangga tsaka Pringles. So, ayan, may banana tayo. Yan na lang natira sa chorizo na rice, Pringles, and mangga. In fairness, okay na din. Kaya lang may natira din talaga. Ano na makakain nito? Meron akong package na dumating. So, this is, nakita ko lang to sa mga ads, guys. Mickey Baby yung tawag sa kanya. Ito yung packaging niya, ang bongga. Pero nilabas ko na siya, guys. So, ayan. It's a thermos. So, you can actually heat up your breast milk and water here. So, ito yung itsura niya. Ang ganda ng kulay. Ayan, pangalan niya is Mickey Express. So, meron siyang mga, ano dito, buttons to start the process. 500 ml na tubig yung pwede mong malagay or breast milk. So, ayan. Pwede siya kanya. So, naglilinis din siya ng sarili niya. Pwede siya na yung naglilinis, which is good. Medyo may pagka-heavy lang siya kung dadalhin mo. Kasi, pag dala ko yung breast milk sa bottle, ang lamig-lamig niya, guys. So, di ko alam kung titake siya ni Kai pag umaalis ako. Nung pumunta kami ng Zoom, mabuti tinake niya. Super lamig na breast milk. Super lamig talaga nun. Sabi ko, buti na lang tinake niya. Otherwise, nagpadede talaga ako dun. So, pag lumalabas ako, I might bring this and then heat up the milk. So, yun. Or pwede din mag-direct latch si Kai. Pero ngayon, masakit pa yung nipple ko ulit. So, pinapalatch ko sa right side. Dito sa left, pump ako ng pump. Pero napapampa din ako sa right side kasi kailangan. Hindi niya nauubos kasi yung supply ko sa isang, padede lang. So, kailangan ko mag-pump dalawang boobs all the time. So, more work din sa akin. So, minsan hindi ko alam kung busog na siya or hindi. Tapos, notice ko pag nagda-direct latch siya sa akin, parang ang bilis niya magutom. Like, ang bilis-bilis niya magutom. So, pag nakabattle siya, like, ang sarap ng tulog niya. Update na to guys sa pag-breastfeed ko. Kasi ilang days na din na nag-direct latch siya sa akin. So, tapos na-notice ko, umiba yung, yung tulog niya, yung oras ng tulog niya. Tapos pagising-gising siya. Like, parang, after an hour, didede na naman siya sa akin. Kasi pina-direct latch ko siya that time. And, umiba yung, yung oras ng tulog niya. Like, hindi na siya nakakatulog ng more than 2 hours. Like, konti-konti yung tulog. Tapos, gutom na naman siya. Sabi ko, I can't do this. Kasi hindi ko magagawa yung mga kailangan kong gawin. Kasi, nakahiga na naman ako. Dede na naman. So, ayun. Kaya, now, nag-stop ako direct latch ulit. And sa battle na naman, guys. Hindi ko alam. Kasi masakit pa naman yung nipple ko dito. But this nipple is okay na. So, I don't know. I don't know yet. Pag umaalis. So, sa ngayon, I prefer na sa battle muna siya. Kasi nung, aalala ko nung kay Mia, medyo malaki na si Mia nun mga 4 months, 3 to 4 months na siya. Like, nag-complete dede talaga. Like, direct latch talaga siya sa akin. And nauubos niya yung supply ko both sides. So, mas easy ang life. Unlike ngayon, like maliit pa si Kai kasi ngayon ilang weeks pa lang siya, guys. Like, 7 weeks? Mag-8 weeks? 7 weeks, 6 weeks. But 7 weeks. So, medyo hindi pa madami yung kinakain niya. So, hindi niya pa nauubos yung supply ko. Pag nagpapump ako, yung supply ko nag-150 each na. Before 110. Ngayon umaabot siya 150, yung pinaka-lowest siguro 120. Pag pina-follow ko yung 2 hours to 3 hours na pump. So pag umabot ako ng 4 hours na pump, nag-150 yung supply ko each boob. So kaya nahihirapan din ako. Like, tamad din ako umalis. Kasi yun nga, kailangan ko mag-pump. And may kailangan kang padidiin. So, hindi ko alam kung paano ako makakalis ng bahay. Kasi like, every 2 to 3 hours, kailangan ko mag-pump. Like, kulang yung oras mo kasi after mo padidiin yung bata, kailangan mo na naman siya patulugin. Tapos, tamang-tama kung matutulog na siya, kailangan mo na naman mag-pump ulit. So, yun. Yun yung routine ko, guys, every day. But I'm not complaining. I know it's gonna pass. So, yun yung newborn stage, diba? So, it will pass. It will pass. So yeah, I'm just sharing this one. At hindi ko pa siya nagagamit, but yeah, I will let you guys know if magugustuhan ko siya. But I think I will kasi very portable and convenient for me. So, yan. Anyway, ayun. Magpugas tayo ng bottles. We are getting ready. Ano itong batang to? Tingnan niyo, makeup. Diba?
There, perfect.
No, perfect. Hala siya.
There. Splendid.
Ayun.
There.
Hala, parang kailangan ko pa mag-pump before kami umalis.
Now, my nice snowball. This is not a snowball. Snowball purple.
Parang kayo na ako lalagay nito ulit. Since nanganak ako guys, wala talaga akong makeup pag umalis kami. Sunscreen. Si Kai natutulog ulit. After niya mag-shower, natulog
Mommy's
siya agad.
shake here.
I think so.
Look at, I hear the door open.
Pakamiss mag-ready. Mag-ready. So, sama yung kapatid ko guys sa dinner.
My
Pero,
snowball is
separate car
ready.
kami. Kasi hindi kasya sa car namin.
Snowball is so
Ano
good.
na kasi yun, 5-seaters.
Let's go say happy birthday to Jake.
Yeah, go. Yes, happy birthday to Jake. Say belated, because Jake's birthday was belated. Yeah, two days ago pa.
Say what's related to
That
Jake.
was
Let me
Wednesday.
say related to Jake.
Belated happy birthday. Because his birthday was Wednesday, baby. Today
Mommy,
we're just gonna
can
have
I say
dinner.
related?
Yeah, belated happy birthday, Jake. Yeah.
Related happy birthday, Jake.
Yeah. Okay, can I sit na? Are you done? Can I sit na? Thank you.
This my pretty girl. Mommy, what should I say again?
Belated happy birthday, Jake. Update din sa tahi ko, guys. Medyo okay na siya, pero meron pa ding redness. And medyo makati siya dun sa red part. Pero okay na siguro to. Hindi na naman siya sumasakit talaga, pero may redness pa din. Yeah, baby, getting ready. So, yes. Open natin po. I have red bucket, but it's downstairs. Let's go. Eye bags natin, guys. Oh, lumalaki. Try natin takpan yan. Hindi pa ako gumagamit ng any, ang tawag dito, eye cream. Naubos na yung mga pang-eye cream ko. Tapos yung skincare ko ngayon, super simple na lang. Dalawang na lang yung ginagamit ko. Dalawang product, toner, tsaka serum, yun lang. Ay, nagkakaubusan na ang aking mga gamit. Kasi hindi tayo lumalabas. Hindi tayo bumibili. Ito. Ay, magagamit ko din ang aking powder. Gamit din kita. Sobrang tagal mo na dyan. Alam nyo, nung nabuntis ako, black ako na dot dyan. Ano tawag dyan? Skin tag. Normal naman daw dun sa buntis. Kay Mia, pero meron akong konting lumabas. Like mga 2, 3. Ito, ang dami guys. Tapos ang lalaki. So, hanggang ngayon, andyan pa din. Hindi pa nawawala. Sa hormones daw ng mga babae yan. Gusto ko siya pakunin. Kasi ang pangit tingnan. Ang dumi tingnan. Kaya lang, wala tayong time lumabas ng bahay. Since meron tayong newborn. Meron tayong baile. Yung gamit kong blush is this from Tarte. Ayan. Set to sila. So, di ko na alam saan yung ibang set. Kailangan ko din ipad-declutter tong aking mga makeup, guys. Oh my gosh, nakakapanibago mag-makeup. Bago. Ang tagal kong hindi nag-makeup. Since kailan ba? Nanganak ako.
Lip balm in my face.
Hindi ko what?
Lip balm in my face.
Why you put lip balm?
Look at I'm like a you. Hey, I wanted that lipstick.
No.
Ow, yum.
Oh no, I rather. We are done. Ay, ano ba itong mga buhok ni Mia, eh? We are done getting ready. Hindi ko alam bakit curly to. Ah, kasi ginalon ko siya. Si Kai gising na. Ang bilis naman nun, Kai. Ang bilis naman. Ang haba na ng buhok ko. Oh. Fix my hair. Ha? Ano? Mia, what are you doing with your brother? We're done. This is our outfit. So, we are in the car. Nauna na yung kapatid ko, tsaka pinsan ni Mi. Dad is here. We already using the other car, guys. Our family car. Hello, Mia. Kaika is there.
Hi.
Silly girl. My Elsa girl today. So, our first time na naka-makeup na umalis ng bahay today. Do you like my look?
You didn't look up.
This guy is so funny. He said they went out to find flowers. At this time, it's gonna be end of the day already, and he's just gonna find the flowers for me. Oh my
I
goodness.
saw a house on that Walcott Avenue. They grow some flower. I was gonna stop there and get it. Nobody is home.
Gagi. Oh my gosh.
No one's
When you buy, I told you so many times, when you wanna buy flowers, buy it before.
I didn't even think about it. No, I'm being honest. I'm not lying.
Oh my goodness. You only realized that it's Valentine's?
I only saw it on Facebook.
Oh my gosh. This guy. Daddy didn't give us flowers this Valentine's, Mia.
Valentine's are for
Forehead ko, guys. Tingnan niyo naman yung forehead ko. Ang haba na kasi ng bangs natin. Dito na tayo, guys. Looking for parking door. Kasi medyo busy. Valentine's Day today. So, maghahanap tayo ng parking. Tulog yung dalawang bata. For sure, walang maingay sa likod. Si Mia tulog. I wanna eat there, Daddy. The pancake thing. The pancake. Yung soft pancake. Walang parking, guys. Tingnan niyo. Look how dark is that. Nagpapump pala ako. Tapos gamit ko yung binili. Yan, binili nating warmer, bottle warmer. May milk. Ito, milk warmer. Dala ko siya. Kaya lang hindi ko na-charge. So, hindi ko alam kung mag-work. Finally, guys! After half an hour, nakakita kami ng parking and alis sila. Which is so good. Malapit lang siya dito sa Korean restaurant. Magba-barbecue pala tayo. Korean barbecue.
Let's go, Mia. We're here.
Si Kai, ang iyak na iyak kasi nga Pahinto-hinto yung car. Nakapump na din ako tapos na tayo mag-pump and everything. Nilagay ko na dito. Oh. Ito na lang siguro yung papainamin ko kay Kai. Ang dami nito, 250 meals guys. Tapos meron din akong nilagay dito sa aking bottle warmer. Milk warmer pala. Baka hindi ko magagamit. Sayang lang. Ay! Han! They're going as well. May bago ding napaalis. Tara, let's go na guys. Booking ni 3 is 7:30 pero mag-8 na. Kasi nga ang hirap maghanap ng parking. Diyan tayo kain. Marubang guys. Si Daddy pushing that pram. Hindi naman masyado sila busy. Is Kai okay?
Yeah.
Kai! Yeah, it's hot. Kai! You look so happy! Yeah! Oh, the head is so close to the side, Daddy. Can you fix it? Yeah, look, Kai. What is that sound?
What about me?
Very noisy. No, it's okay. Very loud and noisy, Kai. Si Mia na sa baba. Ayun siya. Diyan tayo kakain. Marubang. Dito na kami. Dito na din sila. Si Kai nandoon. Natutulog at... Ay, gising siya. Ay. Daddy's getting the veggies. Kai. Oh wow. What's that
Mommy,
big?
look, I'm playing this.
Oh wow.
I can keep digging here.
Oh, thank you.
Did you put this one down and eat the sick bag?
Yeah, we're gonna eat, my love.
Come a little closer. Wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower. I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Falling in love. You set my wheels in motion. I'm going crazy for you. Eyes blue like the ocean. I can see you want this too. Cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know. And I ain't playing no games, baby, you won't change. I only want you. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like
I really get that soda. One more drink, two more drinks, one more drink, four more drinks, and then
Ito na ni Corona.
Ở cái cục đó cục đó chặt đừng có quay mà dưới yeah còn máu ở trong nó ngọt
Yan na ni Corona.
Hi. I can't cook like that.
you can eat
There's a over there. I'm recording.
you can eat a little instead of blood try this one recording me my scoop got
Hi,
the bite
baby.
inside juicy
Now say hi to Daddy.
Second batch. Ang tagal ng second batch. Finally, dumating na siya. More pa there, oh. Kimchi soup. Si Kai Kai tulog. Tulog pa din si Kai Kai.
I love what I make for you, Mom. You want to do this?
Ay!
Mommy,
Yes?
you want to egg help her?
Yes! No, I don't like it. Andun na siya kay daddy niya, oh. Kabot na, guys. Finish. Finish na. Crossy, we gotta buy bubble tea. Everyone likes gongcha. I don't know. I don't really buy gongcha. Oh yeah, they're actually popular in Vietnam.
Never tried it.
They have yogurt and milk.
Oh, maybe they
Ah, milk farm.